Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to create a study guide. Let's say for example, you are a student and you want to learn about some topic and you have uploaded maybe 500 pages document or 1000 pages document or some information from your university or college or school or whatever it is. Now you would like to create a study guide for that particular document. All you need to do is click on study guide and it is going to create a beautiful study guide in a couple of minutes. So let's say for example I'm interested about deep work and I want to create a study guide for this. So click on reports and click on study guide and it is going to create study guide in a minute or two. So if you see now it is saying that generating study guide based on one source. And at any point in time if you have like five sources or 10 sources and if you want to generate study guide from 10 sources, you could also do it by checking all the boxes. See, if you see now study guide has been generated, so I'm going to click on it. See, this is the study guide. So these are all the questions. These are all the questions about deep workbook and these are all the answers from the book. And these are essay format questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and these are glossary of key items like any benefit mindset, attention residue. So these are all the key topics that are discussed in this particular book. So this way you can prepare for your exams, prepare for your interviews or whatever it is. At any point in time, if you want to, convert it to source, you have to simply click on convert to source and it is going to be converted to the source. See, it is converting to the source here. So the information that you have created is added back to the source. So you are building your knowledge base like this. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.